Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to this video module. So this module is 14 and session 4. So in this module, we are going to discuss introduction to entrepreneurial climate. It is all about understanding the environment or surrounded conditions which are affecting entrepreneurial activities in a positive way as well as sometimes negative way. So the purpose of this module is to learn the basics of entrepreneurial climate. If you just look at entrepreneurial climate, it is a manifestation of the attitudes and perceptions of persons or community towards the entrepreneurial opportunities and activities which contributes to the existence of entrepreneurial climate. So in the climate, no, the attitudes and perceptions of people who are there in that location reflects their no, orientation and an idea about entrepreneurship. So if you just look at the opportunities that are there before the entrepreneurial aspirants, so that depends on the surrounded conditions where the people, the mindsets, the attitudes and perceptions and what they think about the entrepreneurship, it is something related to that. For example, if you just look at the place like Coimbatore, so there you will find a different types of entrepreneurial climate. The climate is no something everyone is talking about the business, and then the local the governments are very active as far as industrial policies and then industrial measures are concerned, and then so many things are happening in that environment. So you'll find so the entrepreneurial climate is something no, reflecting a kind of the people mindsets and then the people thought process. If you just see the factors influencing entrepreneurial climate, it is some factors that may influence an entrepreneurial climate, which includes the quality of life, business services, community size, and financial resources. It is something related to the people, no, the maturity in terms of no, how they just look at their life, right? And leading the quality of life and the targeting, the better, no, the lifestyle or better quality by enhancing their economic no, the position. So all these things leads to a kind of thinking of business and business related activities and services in that place. And at the same time, if you just look at the community, the size in the sense, this is the place and the people, their number and their the mutual understanding and then idea of doing business. So all these are going to reflect no, the place, the conditions. And at the same time, if you look at the financial resources, the availability of the finance and the government schemes and the government activities, all these are other dimensions. These are the four the factors which are going to influence or contribute for the existence of entrepreneurial climate. So the creating climate is something in which entrepreneurs and their businesses thrive is the crucial to increasing entrepreneurial activities and then success. So if you just look at the creating such type of the climate depends on the government priority, the government policy, and then the training institutions which are there to encourage and then motivate the aspirants, and then culture, and then and the mindset of the people, and academic institutions, and then academic the driven the forces like encouraging the students when they are in the class no, the towards no, entrepreneurial activities. So this type of the system is going to create the conducive climate for the entrepreneurial activities. So further, if you just look at the entrepreneurial perceptions, so it is something related to the climate is directly associated with the entrepreneurs' perceptions. So the positive perceptions of these factors reflecting a successful environment, the determining the no, such no, climatic conditions. So it is something related to the fair treatment in the society and the level of the local the patronage and then the viability of the business, the networks, and then financial the resources, as I was mentioning in the beginning. So these are the certain no, perceptual no, the conditions where the people just know feel that they are enabled and they are no, encouraged to start the business, right? So if you just see that further, the major elements no, in the climate, like a parents orientation, parents support, and the parents thought process, and the parents encouragement, and friends, and then network, and then relations, and then teachers, and then some of the teachers, they just encourage the students to start their the business instead of just searching for a job, right? So in that way you can see that the school atmosphere, and then neighborhood, and then the society, where we are, so if everyone is looking after business, and then thinking to engage themselves in the business, so that is also a kind of other element in the climate. So the society around the person who is thinking to start the business. So if the society surroundings are in such a way that the more vibrations with the business orientation, so that kind of the climate and then culture is going to encourage the entrepreneurial activities, right? So with this, let me stop here, and then looking forward to meet you in the video 15. Thank you.